Hi guys, welcome to Sunny T, South Dakota. My name is Shad. Behind the camera is our receptionist Stephanie. And I want to show you today, this is a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. And the SE is the base package. And so you're not getting a lot of thrills, which means or frills, which means you're not paying for a lot of things you don't need. This is a manual door. So you open this door manually. And then a power folding conversion. And you ask, why is the door manual? Most of them are power. This door is manual simply as a cost-saving method. It's going to save you roughly $4,000. So while it's not for everybody to have a manual door, if you do have a caretaker with you all the time, you're going to save $4,000 just by not having that power door. So if you have someone with you all the time that can always open that door, it's a good vehicle to consider just for that savings on the power door. But inside, this is a 30-inch wide ramp. You can see where it's cut down inside, 10-inch cut on that, 54 inches entry on this. So it should be plenty tall. I can open the door here for you, Stephanie. And up front, I said it is the base model, but it still has a lot of nice features that you like to have. And number one is the backup camera, which everybody loves. CD player still in that. You have the hand controls on the steering wheel for the volume on the radio, switching the radio stations, cruise control, things like that. Rear air and heat is also in this van, which is really nice. And I can fold the ramp back up for you. See how easy this is. This is an AMS Patriot power folding ramp conversion, made down in Georgia, and it's been a really popular seller for us. Just a real simple, easy to use conversion. And there's the van. Stephanie's going to do a little walk around and show you what the rest of the van looks like while I try to talk and fill time. You can call me directly at 605-498-1612. Or, of course, we are on the internet, www.IMED, mobility.com. And we have this store here in beautiful T, South Dakota, right outside of Sioux Falls. And we also have stores in St. Cloud, Minnesota, and the Minneapolis-St. Paul area. And we all work together as one big happy family. So any vans you need from any store, we can work with you on that or find you whatever you need. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for filming, Stephanie. Bye-bye.